Not all sharks are created equal. While most species avoid humans entirely, a select few have been responsible for fatal encounters throughout recorded history. These are the sharks that scientists, divers, and coastal communities respect the most. Today, we explain every shark that has killed a human. The great white shark is responsible for more recorded fatal attacks on humans than any other species. Found in coastal waters across every major ocean, it can reach lengths of up to 20 feet and weigh over 2,500 pounds. Scientists believe most attacks are investigative rather than predatory. The shark bites once to identify the object, but that single bite is often fatal. Over 300 confirmed unprovoked attacks have been attributed to this species, with more than 50 resulting in death. The tiger shark holds the second position in fatal human attacks worldwide. Unlike the great white, the tiger shark is an indiscriminate feeder. It will eat almost anything it encounters. It is commonly found in shallow coastal waters, bays, and river mouths, which increases the frequency of encounters with humans. Hawaiian waters have recorded some of the highest concentrations of tiger shark attacks in the world. This species has been responsible for over 100 confirmed attacks, with a significant number proving fatal. The bull shark is considered by many marine biologists to be the most dangerous shark species to humans. The reason is unique among sharks. It can survive in both saltwater and freshwater, allowing it to travel deep into rivers and lakes where people swim and fish. Bull sharks have been recorded hundreds of miles inland in major river systems. Their aggressive territorial behavior combined with their proximity to human populations makes them responsible for a high number of fatal incidents each year. Before modern aviation and satellite rescue, the Oceanic Whitetip was considered the deadliest shark in history. Following naval disasters and maritime shipwrecks in the 20th century, this species was responsible for mass casualty events involving hundreds of survivors in open water. It inhabits deep open ocean environments and is drawn to disturbances on the surface. Jacques Cousteau himself described it as the most dangerous of all sharks. While individual attacks are now rare due to declining ocean shipping exposure, its historical death toll remains unmatched. The shortfin Mako is the fastest shark in the ocean, capable of reaching speeds of 45 miles per hour. It is an aggressive species that does not hesitate to defend itself when threatened. Most recorded attacks involving the Mako have occurred during fishing incidents when the shark was hooked and brought alongside a vessel. However, unprovoked attacks in open water have also been documented. Its speed and powerful bite make any encounter extremely dangerous. The great hammerhead is the largest of the hammerhead species and has been involved in confirmed fatal attacks on humans. Its distinctive head shape, called a cephalofoil, provides enhanced sensory detection, allowing it to locate prey buried under sand and detect electrical signals from considerable distances. While hammerhead attacks are less frequent than those of the great white or tiger shark, the great hammerhead is considered dangerous due to its size, which can exceed 15 feet, and its unpredictable behavior in certain coastal environments. The nurse shark is generally considered a slow and docile species. However, it has been responsible for a number of confirmed attacks on humans, most of which were provoked. Divers who attempt to touch, ride, or disturb resting nurse sharks risk a powerful bite that is extremely difficult to release. The species has a vice-like jaw that can lock onto a limb with tremendous force. While fatalities are rare, severe injuries have been documented. This shark serves as a reminder that even passive species have limits. The Caribbean reef shark is one of the most commonly encountered sharks in the Atlantic and is frequently found in shallow reef environments, popular with divers and snorkelers. While attacks are infrequent, several confirmed incidents have been recorded, particularly during feeding activities or when the shark felt cornered. Its speed and agility in reef environments make it difficult to avoid once it becomes aggressive. Despite its fierce appearance, rows of protruding jagged teeth visible even when its mouth is closed, the sand tiger shark is generally not aggressive toward humans. However, confirmed attacks have been recorded, particularly in murky water conditions where the shark may have mistaken a swimmer for prey. It is a slow-moving species that inhabits shallow coastal waters, shipwrecks, and reefs, making encounters relatively common in certain regions. The bronze whaler, also known as the copper shark, is responsible for a notable number of attacks in South African and Australian waters. It is frequently found in large schools near shorelines during sardine run migrations, which brings it into direct contact with swimmers and surfers. Several fatal attacks have been attributed to this species in South Africa, where it is considered one of the primary shark risks for coastal communities. The Galapagos shark is a highly aggressive species found in clear tropical waters around oceanic islands. It is known for bold, threat display behaviors, arching its back and swimming in exaggerated patterns before attacking. Several fatal attacks have been confirmed in island waters across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Its confidence around humans and territorial nature make it one of the more unpredictable species on this list. These 11 species represent the full spectrum of shark danger, from the well-known great white to the underestimated bull shark lurking in rivers. Understanding these animals is not about fear, it is about respect. If you found this video informative, subscribe to Deep Pelagic for more ocean life explained.